In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a contact form in Canva. Whether you're creating a simple form for your personal use or building one as part of a larger project, Canva offers a user-friendly environment to get the job done quickly and beautifully. Now let's dive into the process, and by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to crafting a professional-looking contact form. To get started, open Canva on your computer or device. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an online graphic design tool that's free to use and packed with useful features. Once you're on the Canva homepage, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Contact Form. Canva houses a vast library of templates, so let it do the heavy lifting for you by offering a range of pre-designed forms. Next, take a moment to browse through the selection of contact form templates. You'll notice that there's a wide variety of styles and designs to choose from. Use this opportunity to find a template that matches the aesthetic you're going for. This could be influenced by your brand colors, the tone of your project, or even just personal preference. Simply hover over designs for a closer look, then select the one that truly speaks to you. Once you've made your choice, it's time to personalize it to suit your needs. Click on the template you'd like to use, and you'll see the option to customize this template. Click on that button, and it will open the template right in Canva's design editor. This is an intuitive space where you can modify the template as much or as little as you desire. Now let's focus on editing the necessary information to tailor the contact form to your purpose. This typically includes essential details like your email address, phone number, and website URL. Double-click on the text areas you want to change and type in the updated information. Canva's text editor allows you to adjust the font, size, and color, so feel free to make these changes to better align with the overall design you're aiming for. Before you finish up, take a few moments to review your work. Check for any typos and ensure that all contact details are current and correct. This also gives you a chance to make any last-minute tweaks to the design or layout that might make your form even better. And there you have it. Your contact form is now ready to be downloaded or shared directly from Canva. Whether you're embedding it on your website, sending it in an email, or even printing it out, you now have a professional and polished contact form at your disposal. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.